Hello, everyone again. This is Antonio, and I want to come at you with a quick video about Centro. Right now, Centro is $1.52. Pre-market is $1.56. Our market cap is also back in the trash. We hit another 52-week low on yesterday at $1.46. We opened yesterday at $1.55. Our high was $1.65, but then we did go in the crapper. What's going on with this Centro stock, right? All right, so for those that don't know me, please hit the notification bell. I come to you with videos at least 5-6 days a week. If you don't know anything about this channel, my name is Antonio. Name of the channel is Team Tiggio. We talk about on this channel cryptocurrency, stock, personal and business credit from time to time. But right now, I've been talking about Centro for a number of days, a number of times. I'm holding on to Centro. I'm bullish on Centro. But the question to you is, should you hold on to your Centro stock? Is it still worth to hold on? Right now, the market is definitely recovering for a lot. Even in the crypto space, it's starting to recover. But my question is, even Miriam went on Bloomberg. We have so much going on. But I do want to know about these 2,000 car deliveries. You made the statement before the merger went through. And right now we are still waiting on if that's going to happen. But let's read a couple of articles about Centro, period. Hello, Laurent. I tried to reach you on Twitter and DM you, but not possible. Well, let me give you my email right here. This is my email. If you needed to reach me, that's my email right there. And I apologize. I don't know why I didn't go through, but how you doing this morning? I'm gonna do a quick video about okay, here we go. Wait a minute before I get into it. The dealer in Belgium answered me. Big demand. Deliveries planned by the end of next month. Huge news. Okay. Do you want to talk about more before I get into the article about this huge news? And also, what car are you going to purchase from the dealer in Belgium? And also, what kind of business do you have? If you mind sharing that as well, that'd be awesome. If you want to come on, I can drop a link and you could talk about this huge news also. I could drop a link. Matter of fact, I'm going to send an invite link if you wanted to come on. No, I let you continue. The Metro One business in IT. Oh, awesome. How many vehicles are you planning on purchasing? All right, let's keep going. Right now, the pre-market is $1.58. Like I said, we did hit a low, but the question is, and if you want to share more about the huge news, okay, perfect. I'll send you an email later today. I'll be on the lookout for it, and I'll report on this later today. Any pictures, anything that you have, I definitely will report on it later today. I'll put it in like a PowerPoint, and we'll report on everything. And also, if you want to talk about what form of the Metro car are you trying to get, that'll be awesome too. And how many you want to get? Right here. Let's keep going. Central Electric Group has risen Tuesday morning on the stock rising 0.065 and pre-market trading to $1.56. Since short-term technical score of 31 indicates that the stock has traded less bullishly over the last month than 69% of stocks on the market. In the auto manufacturers industry, which ranks 125 out of 146 industry, Central Electric Group ranks higher than 47% of stocks. Central Electric Group LTD has fallen 61.06% over the past month, closing at $3.47 on January 11th. During this period of time, the stock has fallen as $1.51 and as high as $3.72. So Central Electric Group has a long-term technical rank of 52. That means that trading over the last 200 trading days has placed the company in the upper half of stocks with 48% of the market scoring higher. In the auto manufacturers industry, which is number 133 by metric, Spence ranks better than 64% of stocks. The question is, with this article, and this is a brief article, they want to know, should we hold on to the stock? And now this is another article that I'm about to read from DBT News. All right, let's read this. All right, so here we go. Centro Electric Group Limited lost negative $1.90 or negative 0.03 points to close out $1.55 with the heavy trading volume of 681,837 shares. The company report on January 21, 2022 that Central Electric Group achieves record production milestone of 1,623 electric vehicles in 2021. 628 ECVs produced in December 2021 represents the highest volume in a single month. Company finishes fiscal 2021 with $250 million in cash, no debt, and financial strength to support expansion of its European operating center in Düsseldorf, Germany, and now assembly plant in Jacksonville, Florida. It opened the trading session at $1.5996. The shares rose to $1.71 and dropped to $1.52, the range by which the price of stock traded the whole day. The daily chart of SIM points out that the company has recorded negative 81.77% loss over the past 6 months. However, it is still negative 3.33% lower than its most recent low trading price. If we look at the average trading volume, is 6.32 million shares since reached to a volume of 681,837 in the most recent trading day, which is why market watchdogs consider the stock to be active. Right. So we have an active stock. The point is, why can't we get past our ceiling? The ceiling is basically pushing past $3 to $4. We got the volume. We're getting better PR. What is the problem? All right. So here's what top equities market gurus are saying about Central Electric Group Limited. The average true range ATR for Central Electric Group's limited set at 0.31, with the price to sales ratio for Cent stock in the period of the last 12 months amounting to 10.27. The price to book ratio for the last quarter was 0.27. Was the price to cash per share for the same quarter was set at 1.12. All right. This is a lot of numbers. I know it sounds boring, but this is breaking down what's going on. Let's see if we got any questions or comments. I'm going to read a little bit more of this article, and then we're going to conclude this video, and then I'm going to come back later on today once I get the pictures and more exciting news from Laurent, what's going on with the information he's going to share with me, and the information about him getting in touch with the Belgium supply plant. And if he want to share that news of what's going on, I want to know the price of the car, how many cars he's buying. If you want to share any of that information, then I can share that with the community as well. Central Group Limited fell into the red zone at the end of last week, falling to a negative trend of dropping by negative 9.88. With the latest performance, Cent shares dropped negative 62.92% in over the last 4-week period. Additionally, sank it by negative 81.77 over the last 6 months, not to mention a drop of negative 90.94% in the past year of trading. Overbought and oversold stocks can easily trace with the relative strength index, which is the RSI, where an RSI result of over 70 would be overbought, and by rate below 30 would indicate oversold conditions. An RSI rate of 50 would represent a neutral market momentum. The current RSI for Cen stock in for the last 2-week period is set at 20.91, with the RSI for the last single of trading hit at 20.87, and the 3 weeks RSI is set at 23.08 for Centro Electric Group Limited. The present moving average for the last 50 days of trading for the stock is 5.1185, while it was recorded at 1.5840 for the last single week of trading and 80.3211 for the latest 200 days. All right, Centro Electric Group, deeper dive into fundamental analysis. Operating margin for the stock indicates how profitable investing would be. A Centro Electric Group Limited shares currently have an operating margin of negative 3.5 now and a gross margin at positive 31.47. Centro Electric Group's net margin is presently recorded at negative 85.39. A return on equity for the stock declined at negative 148.25, and a return on assets sitting at negative 51.74. So basically, the analysis of insider ownership of Centro, they are breaking this down and asking, is it a good thing to keep this stock or should you trade this stock? 30 institutional holders increased their position in Centro Limited Group by around 171,442 shares. Additionally, 29 investors decreased positions by around 90,289 shares, while 17 investors held positions at 124,562 shares. The mentioned change placed institutional holdings at 386,293 shares. So I wanted to make this quick video and just so we can break down what's going on. Rookie is saying Jacksonville new plant is hiring engineers. And also he's giving a shout out to Laurent for sharing the news. Rookie said he's bullish on the trade. I will be busy till late Belgium time. I'll email you while I'm back home. Talk to you later. Cool. I appreciate everybody that was able to get on this live. I will be coming back later on today, and we'll be having an update once Lauren get his rest, and he shared the information. He was able to get in contact with a dealer in Belgium about purchasing his very own Metro car, and he's going to share that experience with us later today. Have a great day, Rookie and Lauren, and we will see you next time. So everybody tune in later on today. I should have some exclusive news about what's going on with Centro in this space. So I definitely will see you next time. Lawrence said he's definitely positive and bullish. I know Rookie is bullish. I am bullish. We'll be coming on. I just want to do a quick video, so we'll come back later on today and do another video so we can share more information with Centro. I am bullish. Even though I read this report, I understand how the market works. And we'll see y'all next time.